Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. It's Kambal Kikay once again and my name is Lee. For today's video, I'm going to unbox my BM800 microphone condenser na in-order ko sa Lazada. So guys, papakita ko lang sa inyo kung ano yung mga laman ng mga nabili ko. So if you want to see the video, please keep on watching. Natin guys, yung laman nito studio microphone. So bubuksan ko muna to guys So ayan, ito yung laman niya. Meron siyang manual dito, and then meron siyang yung cord ng microphone, and then ito yung microphone foam cover windscreen. Ito naman guys yung microphone shock mount. And ito na yung BM800 condenser microphone. So ang ganda niya. Wow! Ang kulay niya gold. So ayan. So yun lang yung laman nitong box na to guys. And then, yung isang box naman, so babalik ko muna guys yung laman nito ha. Dito naman guys sa isang box, ito yung pop shield na tinatawag nila guys. Ayan. Ginagamit to guys para mas maganda yung audio. Ito yung itsura na guys. Parang may net siya dito guys sa gitna. And then the last one, ito yung recording microphone stand guys. Dito natin ilalagay mamaya or ikakabit yung microphone. So ganito guys yung naman. So meron siyang ganito guys. Isang babuksan ko na lang din. Ito yung pag kinabit mo yung microphone stand, kung ilalagay mo siya dun sa table or kung saan mo siya gusto ilagay. So ito yung gagamitin mo guys. And then ito na guys yung microphone stand. Ito siya guys. So meron siyang spring. Yan. Parang hindi ko tuloy alam kung paano ko balik. Pala kasi siya. So, yun. And then, the last one. Dito natin ilalagay yung microphone mamaya, guys. So, yan lahat yung laman ng mga nabili ko na BM800 microphone condenser. So, guys, about dun sa product, kung maganda ba yung audio niya or whatsoever, i-update ko na lang kayo pag na-test ko na siya. So, hanggang dyan na lang guys yung video natin for today. So, I hope na nag-enjoy kayo at may natutunan kayo dito sa video na to. And if you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to like and share this video. And thank you so much again for watching. And may God bless you all. Until next time, na see you on my next one. Bye!